Hi, this is Josh Newton from WhiteSource. This is the fifth in a series of videos covering the WhiteSource for GitHub.com integration. In this video, we will be covering the Remediate technology, which creates automated pull requests to resolve security vulnerabilities. Here within GitHub.com, when we look at the Pull Request tab for this repo, notice we have a few that were created by the WhiteSource for GitHub.com bot, a service account. These pull requests have been automatically created to resolve the vulnerabilities and can be used to remediate them with minimal effort by the developer. Clicking on the pull request shows us that it will upgrade this library org.apache.derby to version 10.12.1.1. It is calculated that to resolve these two CVEs listed here, which are in your current version 10.8.3.0, you need to upgrade to the recommended version. Remediate always selects the lowest non-vulnerable version. Clicking on the Files Change tab shows us it is a simple commit, just changing the library version from the current 10.8.3 to the 10.12.1.1 within the pom.xml file. Notice that we have created a separate branch for this, as best practice is certainly to perform a functional test of the change before you merge it into the mainline branch. So, after reviewing the suggested upgrade and performing relevant testing, you can easily merge this into the mainline branch and your security vulnerabilities will be resolved. Let's review how these automated pull requests came to be in our github.com repo. Within the WhiteSource UI, click on Integrate, scroll down to Developer Integrations and expand it, then open the WhiteSource for GitHub.com section and click on Manage Workflow Rules. Click on Add Rule. By default, this workflow rule will apply to all products and projects in your organization, but if you'd like to select a specific product or project, you can. Under the Type dropdown, you have several options. The most common is to create a pull request based on the severity of the vulnerability. You can choose to only create pull requests for high severity, medium and high, or all vulnerabilities detected by selecting low. Once you click OK, the integration will automatically create pull requests that match the workflow rules you defined here. Thank you for watching this presentation. If you have further questions, please reach out to your WhiteSource representative or you can visit our website for more information.